This is an MK review for the cabinet and magnet locks. What you do is you put these on your doors and they hold them shut because it has this little plastic thing that flips up so that it allows the door to be opened, and while these are flipped down and in, it keeps the door locked. This is a child safety feature. It's good for cabinets that have cleaning supplies or alcohol. This works at the top. What this is you mount this via the styrofoam 3M sticky tab, and you put it on the inside, door facing in. It latches this hook right here, catches this part, which goes on the other side at the top, and it locks it. This magnet, this is magnetic handle. When it's down, it keeps this little hook from going off so that you can open the door. It's a really handy safety feature, and they're really good to have if you have small kids